In today's video, we're going to be talking about bad targeting logic and how you fix this. Hey everyone, my name is Nick Hall. I'm a CPG entrepreneur who exited a couple of years ago and an expert in the Amazon space, helping better for you CPG brands scale and win on Amazon. Today, we are going to dive right in. Most Amazon accounts don't fail because of budgets. They fail because their targeting logic is trash. Clicks go to the wrong shoppers, conversions tank, ACoS explodes. If you want profitability, you've got to find your targeting structure first. Relevance is the beginner bar. If you are going after collagen gummies, this is something I used to go after. If you go after collagen gummies and you're going after the keyword collagen or collagen powder or collagen pills or collagen supplements, that is way too broad. Early days, hone in on exactly what your product is. Then gradually go outside of the bullseye every time. But your first thing that you need to hit is the exact bullseye, exactly what it is. So if you can find something like collagen gummies for women, lemon flavored, and yours is a lemon flavored collagen gummy, that is perfect. Collagen gummy, 100 milligrams, if it's 100 milligrams. Don't go after things that are outside of that. Just because your product can rank for a keyword does not mean that it should. If you're selling gummies, stop bidding on keyword terms of powder, capsule, any other generic form. Amazon does not care about your product form. It cares about what shoppers click on and they convert on. Number two, when you're looking over here, you can see quit pushing 40 different keywords into a campaign. This is a horrible structure for it. When you're doing this, make sure that you do this strategically, okay? One campaign, one ad group. Do not be doing 50 plus keywords in here. This loses all of your control. There's no clear learning from this, and it's nearly impossible to optimize, especially when you start adding placement modifiers to the campaign. Your winners get starved while unproven keywords burn your budget. Make sure as you're going through this, if you want to have control, you need to isolate your spend. Okay, your top volume keywords that are highly relevant, these need to be single keyword campaigns. We're going to have single keyword campaigns that you're going to see right here. Single product target campaigns if there's enough search volume and enough product sales for this specific thing. For the mid and low volume search terms, you're going to cluster these into 3 to 5 search terms per group, no more than 10. Don't get more than 10 within one. And another rule that you've got to have with this, do not have it be more than 5 times the search volume. So for example, if there's 200 search volume for a keyword, do not put one that has 1,000 or more search volume in with it. Okay. And last is your discovery versus proven campaigns. Okay. These are different campaigns. You're going to scale these winners and you're going to be testing everything else. Campaign level budget is where efficiency is won or lost. Your best terms should never run dry. Your lower performers will earn the budget. They shouldn't steal the budget. Protect your profitability. As you're going through all of these products and all of these keywords, you want to make sure that you're going after the things that actually matter. So here's the real kicker. 90% of your wasted spend will happen before you even get your first click. Look through the losers in this and figure out which ones you need to optimize better. Figure out the keywords that are highly, highly relevant, that others that are the exact same products as yours is ranking for and that you're ranking for, and push deeper on all of those. Fix your campaign structure. This is going to help fix the ROI of your entire campaign. So you guys tell me, what's the biggest targeting mistake that you've fixed lately? Drop it in the comments. If your campaign feels like they're burning cash, send me a DM. I'll review your targeting logic and tell you exactly what I think. No fluff. I've got a number of tools that I'm releasing strictly to help you guys just get your Amazon where it needs to be.